Make your night ride safer. Customize your frame, rims, helmet, and accessories. Designed to last 7 years in all weather. Cut from the engineering-grade reflective film used on emergency vehicles. Made in America. RydeSafe Reflective Bike Decals are simple and elegant, and they fulfill the cycling community's demand for stylish bicycle safety gear. The decals are cut from an engineering-grade, conspicuity film, which contains fine glass beads that reflect light back to its source. Each do-it-yourself kit enables easy customization of your bike frame, helmet, rims, and accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Quality vinyl stickers and a great safety upgrade. 70 full stickers per sheet pack, and some edge pieces, that I used for detailing the kickstand. I only rejected 4 octagon mutants per, though I could have trimmed them. You'll need 3 sheets if you have 2, 3 6-spoke wheels, as almost are all 26s and wish to match spokes on both sides. Clever marketing there, me thinks. But, I'll use them, and a pack of red for the matching trailer and pooch carriage, so there's that. That being said, they are very effective, and easy to apply if you clean, yes 3 times, the rims. I used a commercial vinyl lettering cleaner and prep, and had no problems. Isopropyl alcohol from the drugstore is fine also. Finally, the black is quite gray during a cloudy day, and less so when it's sunny. 9/10. Plus dog tax.